Did you know you could reheat a ribeye in the air fryer? Now, I don't eat ribeyes often, but if it saves some money and it's not wasted food, let's see how to do this. For this, we are going to need leftover ribeye steak. And we're going to do this in the air fryer. We're going to set the air fryer for 350 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness. These are pretty thick, so we're going to try it for 5 minutes. These have been sitting out for about half an hour to get up to room temperature. Alright, a little dark in here. Put that in. Halfway through, we're going to flip these over so the other side can get warm. It's starting to smell good. Once these are done, you hear that sizzle? Throw this on a plate. We're looking for 130 degrees, it says. Oh. And then we're gonna take these, take our aluminum foil, put our tinfoil hat on. Let these rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, look how good those look. Looks like they were just freshly made, not reheated and used as leftovers. But this is an alternative way instead of using the microwave. If this helped, if you could leave a like and a comment, or even subscribe, it would help a ton. Hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.